Hello students, today we are going to discuss how to apply algebraic identities for solving sums involving only numbers without any algebraic expressions. Okay, so let's get started now with such a few examples. Going to first example, 106 whole square. 106 whole square means, actually without finding 106 into 106, we will use now here identities. This 106 can be written as 100 plus 6. 106 can be written as 100 plus 6, as whole square is there, let us write it as whole square. Now this is in the form of like a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. So in which here a is 100 and b is 6. If you compare both, a is 100, b is 6. Now actually according to a plus b whole square, the formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now let us substitute this a and b values what you have here in this place. So a square means 100 square plus 2ab means 2 into a means 100 into b means 6 into plus b square means 6 square. Let us simplify a little more. 100 square. 100 square can be written as 100 into 100, which is 10,000, plus 2 into 100 into 6. 2 6 are 12. 12 into 100 is 1200, plus 6 square, that is 36. Let us add up all these. You will get 1 1 2 3 6. So this is the answer of 106 whole square. Actually if you multiply 106 into 106 also, you will get the same answer. But this is the method how we will use identities to solve such sums which are involving only numbers. So we are going to deal such example sums. So okay, going to next example where we can use second identity. Example 2. Our question is 998 whole square. The question is 998 whole square, which you can write as 998 is nearest number to 1000. How much less than 1000? 2 less than 1000. So you can write this 998 as 1000 minus 2 whole square. Okay, now this is in the form of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square, where you can find a as 1000 and b as 2. Okay, now you are going to substitute these values in the identity. According to a minus b whole square, the formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now let us substitute these values in this. 1000 whole square minus 2ab means 2 into a means 1000, b means 2 into plus b square means 2 whole square. Now let us simplify some more. 1000 into 1000 gives you 1 after 6 zeros, which is 10 lakh, minus 2 into 2, 4 into 1000 is 4000, plus 2 square means 4, which you can write it as actually 10 lakh minus 4000 is 96,000 plus 4, which is 996,000 plus 4 gives you 996,004. This is your answer. For 998 whole square, the answer is 99,000. So 9,96,004. Next, going to another example. Next example, example number 3. It is 902 into 98. For example, there is a sum like this, where we can use third identity here. So 102 is more than 100, 2 more than 100, 98 is 2 less than 100. Both are nearest to 100. One is more than 100, one is less than 100. So this 102 I will write it as 100 plus 2, and this 98 I will write it as 100 minus 2. Now if you observe this, it is very similar to a plus b into a minus b, in which a is 100 if you compare both and b is 2. So let us substitute these values in the formula. So a plus b into a minus b, according to formula, it is nothing but a square minus b square. Now let us write our answer in the form of a square minus b square. So a means 100 square minus b square means 2 square. So which you can write as 100 square means 10,000 minus 4. The answer is 10,000 minus 4, 9,996. The answer is 9,996. So if you multiply 102 into 98 also, you will get the same answer. But this is the method where we use the identities to solve such sums. Okay, where there are no algebraic expressions. Here everything is involving only numbers. So here this is the way how to solve such sums using algebraic identities. Let us go to another example. Example number 4. The question is, for example, 105 into, for example, 109. So you have here both numbers more than 100. In the previous example, one number is more than 100, one number is less than 100. But here, in this example, both numbers are more than 100. In such cases, we can write this as both are nearest to 100. So 100 plus 5, 105 can be written as 100 plus 5, and 109 can be written as 100 plus 9. Now, if you observe, this is one more identity which we discussed in our previous videos, which is x plus a into x plus b. So this is like a x in the place, x plus a into x plus b. In the place of x you have 100. In the place of, you observe here, x is 100 both. And if you observe, a is 5. So let us write a is 5. And if you observe here, b is 9. So these numbers you have to substitute in the formula. So x plus a into x plus b is the formula where you have x square plus a plus b into 100x plus ab. This is the formula for x plus a into x plus b. So let us substitute the values. X square means 100 square plus a plus b means 5 plus 9 into x, actually x is 100 into 100 plus ab means a into b, so which is 5 into 9. Don't write 59. ab means a into b, which is 5 into 9. Okay, now coming to here, continue. 100 square means 1 after 4 zeros, 10,000 plus 5 plus 9, 14 into 100, 1400. Let us write 1400 plus 5 nines of 45. So now adding up all these four numbers, we will get 11445. So this is the answer, 11,445. So in this way you can substitute the values and find out the answer. Thank you, students.